Very good morning, students. Today we are going to learn the continuation problems, example 4.17. So find the particular solution of the differential equation. So given differential equation is x square dy plus y into x plus y dx is equals to 0. We need to find out the particular solution at x is equals to 1 comma y is equals to 1. Means after finding the differential equation solution, we need to find out what will be the answer at x equals to 1 and y is equals to 1. Okay, let us start solving this answer. What is the given differential equation here? X square dy plus y into x plus y dx is equals to 0. X square dy is equals to minus of y into x plus y dx. So this can be written as minus xy plus y square dx x square dy. So dy by dx is equals to minus xy plus y square by x square. Now we got it in the form of dy by dx, and moreover all the degrees are 2 here. Here 1 plus 1 2, here also 2, here also 2. Now it is homogeneous equation, differential equation. Now after getting a homogeneous differential equation, what you are taking? Y is equals to Vx. Since it is x, x. If it is P, Vp. If it is Q, Vq. So if I differentiate on both sides, it will become dy by dx is equals to uv. So v first function as it is plus x dv by dx. So if I substitute in this first equation, we are going to get v plus x dv by dx is equals to minus of x in place of y vx plus v square x square divided by x square. So v plus x dv by dx is equals to minus v x square plus v square x square divided by x square. V plus x dv by dx is equals to minus, we can take x square outside, it will become v plus v square divided by x square gets cancelled. So we are left with x dv by dx is equals to minus of v plus v square plus v. If I transpose to other side, it will become minus v. Now if I open up the brackets, it will become x dv by dx is equals to minus v square plus v, minus v. So it will be minus v square minus 2v x dv by dx. Variable separable method. So all the variables one side, it will become 1 by minus v square minus 2v dv is equals to dx by x. So this v square, we can take v common, and moreover let me take minus common here. It will become v square plus 2v dv is equals to dx by x. Let me transpose minus to other side. So what it will become? 1 by v square plus 2v dv is equals to minus dx by x. So in this I will take v common. So 1 by v into v plus 2 dv is equals to minus dx by x. So now, see, this can be written as, look at here in the denominator, in the numerator, can I write it is take it as v plus 2. So v plus 2 there means, let me write v plus 2 minus 2. V plus 2 minus 2. So plus 2 minus 2 gets cancelled. We have to get it as V. But we are not getting at all. So for that reason, in place of V plus 2, okay, let us write here V. Because variable cancel is no issues. Number we can multiply the front. So V gets cancelled, we will get extra 2. Why? Because in the numerator there is no 2 at all. But we need 2. If I want 2 means what I will do? I will divide by 2. Into V plus 2. So look at here. Why? Because we cannot write anything as we have 1 by UV formula. 1 by UV formula we don't have. That's the reason we are making use of this. dV is equals to minus dx by x. So now this can be split as 1 by 2. So we can write it as V plus 2 by V into V plus 2 minus V by V into V plus 2. dV is equals to minus dx by x. The bracket close. Okay. 1 by 2 as it is here, V plus 2 gets cancelled, V gets cancelled. 1 by V minus 1 by V plus 2 dV is equals to minus dx by x. Now let us apply integration on both sides. If I apply integration on both sides, it will become 1 by 2. Integration of 1 by V will be log V minus log of V plus 2 minus log x is equals to minus log x plus c. So that step can be written as 1 by 2 as it is. Log a minus log b can be written as log a by b. V by plus 2 is equals to minus log x plus log c. I am replacing c with log c. So this power it will go log of whole power 1 by 2. V by V plus 2 whole power 1 by 2 is equals to log c by x. Why? Because log a minus log b can be written as log a by b. Log gets cancelled. So now the value is c plus 2 whole power 1 by 2 is equals to c by x. Squaring on both sides if we do. So we are going to get v by v plus 2 is equals to c square by x square. Now in place of v, we will replace it with y by x. Y by x. So replace. So in this equation, let us replace with y by x. That will become y by x plus 2 is equals to c square by x square. So that is written as y by x by y plus 2x by x. So x gets cancelled, that is c square by x square. So we are left with y by y plus 2x is equals to c square by x square. Now so we got it as y x square by y plus 2x is equals to c square. Now in the question he has given if x is 1, y is also 1. So what will be the answer here? X is 1, y is 1 means in the numerator 1 by 1 plus 2, that is c square. So it will be 1 by 3 is equals to c square. So a constant value we got. That we can replace in our equation. What is the equation we got here? So that is y x square is equals to 1 by 3 into y plus 2x. Next, let us take another example, 4.18. So in this example, the marginal cost of producing X shoes. So marginal cost of producing X shoes is given by 3xy plus y square dx plus x square plus xy dy is equals to 0. So this is the differential equation given, and total cost of producing. So total cost is given as ₹12. We need to find out the total cost function. So total cost is given as ₹12. We have to find out total cost function. This is the question. So first, let us find out. So it is also particular solution. So given differential equation is 3xy plus y square into dx is equals to x square plus xy dy, sorry, plus is equals to 0. So let me transpose first. So 3xy plus y square into dx is equals to minus of x square plus xy into dy. We need dy by dx. So dy by dx is equals to 3xy plus y square by x square plus xy. Let me put minus in front. All together we can put it as minus. Okay. Now we got it here. The powers 1 plus 1 it is 2. Here also 2. Here also 2. Here also 2. So it is a homogeneous. Now let y is equals to vx. If y is equals to vx, then if I am differentiating, it will become dy by dx is equals to v plus x dv by dx. So let me replace this in this equation first. So if I replace this, what it will become? V plus x dv by dx is equals to minus of 3x vx plus v square x square divided by x square plus x vx. That is close. Okay. Now let me write here v plus x dv by dx is equals to minus, I can take x square common in numerator. So what will be left? 3v plus v square. 3v plus v square divided by, in denominator also I can take x square common. So what is left here? 1 plus v. 1 plus v. So x square gets cancelled. So we are left with x dv by dx is equals to minus of 3v plus v square by 1 plus v minus v. Plus v, if I am transposing, it will become minus v. Let me do the next step, please. So x dv by dx is equals to, so if I open up the bracket, minus 3v minus v square, so LCM 1 into v minus v square divided by 1 plus v. LCM I have taken it as 1 plus v. Next step, x dv by dx is equals to, so minus 4v minus 2v square divided by 1 plus v. So minus I can take common in the numerator. So it will become x dv by dx is equals to minus, if I take, it will become 4v plus 2v square divided by 1 plus v. Okay, now variables one side, it will become 1 plus v divided by 4v plus v square is equals to minus dx by x. I am not transposing the symbol, it will be on the other side. So minus dx by x. Now I got it as variable separable method. Now after getting my variable separable method, I have to perform integration on both sides. Now if I perform integration on both sides, it will become 1 plus v by uv plus v square dv is equals to integral minus dx by x. Here 2v square, not v square, 2v square. Okay. See, already we learned that if denominator is f of x, numerator should be f dash of x. So derivative of 4v will be 4. Derivative of 2v square will be 4v. So 4 is missing in this. So let me multiply and divide by 4. 4 plus 4v divided by 4v plus 2v square dv. Here if I do integration, it will become minus log x plus c. So 1 by 4, it will become log of 4v plus 2v square is equals to minus log x plus log c. So log a by b, it is why, because log a minus log b. Here 1 by 4 will come in power, that is 4v plus 2v square whole power 1 by 4. Log gets cancelled. So we are left with 4v plus 2v square whole power 1 by 4 is equals to c by x. Now in this whole power 4 is there, so it's somewhat tough for us. So let us perform like this. Let us not do here operation. Let it be as such, minus dx by x. So this 1 by 4 will transpose to that side. So what it will become here? 4 plus 4v by 4v plus 2v square dv is equals to 4 integral minus dx by x. Now let us apply integration. It will become log of 4v plus 2v square 4 into log x minus 4 log x plus log c. Okay. So next step, log of 4v plus 2v square is equals to log x power 4 minus log x power 4 plus log c. So log of 4v plus 2v square is equals to log a minus log b can be written as log a by b. So log gets cancelled. We are left with 4v plus 2v square is equals to c by x power 4. Now let me replace v by y by x. Replace. So if I am replacing v y by x, that is u. Is this u? That's 4. So 4 into y by x plus 2 into y by x whole square is equals to c by x power 4. So 4xy by x square plus 2y square. So x square is the LCM, c by x power 4. Now here x square and x square will be left. So we are left with 4xy plus 2y square into x square is equals to c, a constant. Now in the question he has given total cost is 12, that is y is 12 when x is 2. So since it is a pair of shoes, I am considering xy as 2. If I substitute in this, we are going to get 4 into 2 into 12 plus 2 into 12 square into x square, which is 4, is equals to c. So 8, 12 8 is 96 plus 144, 288 into 4 is equals to c. So 8 plus 6, 14, 7, 18. So 384 into 4 is equals to c. 32, 33, 12, 315. 1536. Next, let us see example 4.19. So in this example, the marginal revenue MR is Y, marginal revenue is Y, and output is Q. Output is Q. So it's given by the equation. He has given the equation as dy by dq. So here q is there instead of x, q. So q square plus 3y square divided by 2qy. Find total revenue function. Find total revenue. If output is 1, and the revenue is 5. Revenue is 5. Output is 1 and revenue is 5. So it's a similar question. Just have change in place of dy by dx as dy by dq. So given differential equation, dy by dq is equals to q square plus 3y square by 2qy. So same concept. Here we will assume let y is equal to, instead of vx, vq here. Same, no change at all. So if I differentiate on both sides, it will become dy by dx is equals to v plus, so dy by dq here, dy by dq, v plus q dv by dq. Okay, let me substitute this in the first one. So what it will become? V plus q dv by dq is equals to q square as such plus 3 into v square q square divided by 2q vq. So v plus q dv by dq is equals to, you can take q square common in the numerator. So 1 plus 3v square divided by 2vq square. Q square gets cancelled. So that is v plus q dv by dq is equals to 1 plus 3v square by 2v. So let me transpose v to other side. It will be written as q dv by dq is equals to 1 plus 3v square by 2v minus v. So LCM is 2v. That is q dv by dq is equals to 1 plus 3v square minus 2v square divided by 2v. Okay, next. Q dv by dq is equals to, it will be 1 plus v square divided by 2v. So let me transpose variables one side. So it will become 2v by 1 plus v square dv is equals to dq by q. Now applying integration on both sides. So what it will become? Integral 2v by 1 plus v square dv integral dq by q. So f of x, f dash of x, it is matching. So log of 1 plus v square is equals to log q plus log c. So log a plus log b can be written as log qc. Here as such log of 1 plus v square. So log gets cancelled. Now we are left with 1 plus v square is equals to qc. Now replace v by y by q. So what it will become? 1 plus y by q whole square is equals to qc. So 1 plus y square by q square is equals to qc. So it will be q square plus y square is equals to q cube c. Next step we can write q square plus y square by q cube is equals to c. Q cube is equals to c. So in the question given that q output is 1 and y value is 5. So it will be 1 plus 5 square by 1 cube is equals to C. That is 1 plus 25. So 26 is equals to C. So if I substitute there, then the final equation will become Q square plus Y square is equals to 26 Q cube. Means I'm just transposing this Q cube to other side.